Today, we will show some original and colorful life hacks and decoration ideas for school supplies. Let's diversify your school life with original crafts. And for starters, let's decorate a boring notebook cover. We will need a teddy bear pattern. Apply some glue on it and attach it to the inside of the cover. Stay close to the pattern and sew it with thick white thread. Very soon, a little bear will appear on the blue cover. Try different patterns of drawings and decorate the cover with a thread tattoo in a geometric style. Very beautiful! For this life hack, you will need a tape whiteout and self-drying modeling clay. Knead a slice of orange clay and wrap the body of the whiteout in it. Use the sharp tip of a skewer to make the clay porous. Flatten a ball of blue clay on both sides of the body. Press stripes along the edge. The result is a whiteout in the form of a macaroon. A yummy whiteout carries out its purpose flawlessly and attracts attention with its unusual appearance. This time, you will need disposable plastic syringes. Take out the piston from the cylinder. Get rid of the nozzle using pliers. Cut the shaft of a ballpoint pen accordingly. Insert the filler into the cylinder of the syringe. Secure it with hot glue. Pour some glitter stars in the syringe. Fill it with water. Apply hot glue on the plunger and insert it into the cylinder. Instead of a cap, use a plug. Make several of these pens using glitter of different colors as decoration. To write with this pen is a pleasure! Cut out rectangles of the size you need from a foam rubber sheet. Hot glue the edge. Lay a pencil between the sheets. Apply another strip of hot glue. Glue the sheets together. Make sure the pencils are at equal distances from each other as you glue. Make cuts in the form of small squares. It's very convenient to use a notebook like this. Got some inspiration and want to draw? Pencils are always on hand. For this life hack, you need some dense colored paper. Fold a square sheet in half. Bend the corners towards the center. Smooth them. Unfold. Bend the corners outwards. We turn out the edges. Cut off the excess. Round the corners. Glue on pieces of shiny paper. Attach googly eyes and hook the raccoon onto a book. Bookmarks with little animals look interesting and creative and can be made in just 5 minutes. For this life hack, you will need a sheet of white cardboard and binder clips. 1 large and 2 smaller ones. Fasten the clips with a hot glue gun. Decorate the sheet with sea creatures. Choose a fitting calendar. Attach it to the biggest clip. Clip sheets with numbers to the smaller clips. The month on the left one, the day on the right one. A calendar like this can be hung on a wall or simply put on a shelf. For this video, you will need a sheet of white cardboard and a regular notebook. Wrap the notebook and attach cardboard to the cover. Draw a funny rabbit with a regular pencil. Now you need multicolored gouache. Cover the sheet with blue paint without touching the outline of the drawing. Paint the rabbit gray. Draw him a yellow tummy. Refine details in gray. Add white fluffy clouds. Use a black marker to make eyes and a nose. Wow, what a cutie! Even the most boring notebook can become original and bright with a cover like this. Do you miss your Instagram in class? An unusual cover in the form of your favorite application will cheer you up. Take a screenshot of your Instagram feed and print it out. Cut off the excess and attach it to the cover of a notebook. Wrap and attach the free edge with double-sided tape. Let's complete the school account with information about yourself. Paste a photo into the frame and write your name on the notebook. The back cover is also decorated with a printed screenshot from Instagram. I wonder how many teachers' likes your algebra test will score. Go Pikachu! Have you already caught your very own Pokemon? We'll teach you how to make bookmarks in the form of long-eared anime characters. You will need scraps of different colors of felt. Cut out the pieces for your Pikachu. Attach pieces of felt to a yellow pom-pom. Glue black brushes on the ears. Attach the cheeks, eyes, paws, and his lightning tail. Draw the nose and mouth with a black felt tip pen. Put Pikachu on a wooden stick. Make a couple more silly Pokemon. How cute they are! Let's share an idea for organizing plans, reminders, and creative notes. Draw a rectangle on a frame on which a cloth is stretched. Glue it along the perimeter with strips of gold self-adhesive. Print and paste black and white cards with the days of the week. Divide them using golden strips. Decorate the board with a garland with shiny stars. A stylish board with a timetable is an excellent assistant for your time management. Turn your boring old phone case into a bright and useful accessory in a school style. Cover it with paint from a can. Using a glue stick, attach a funny picture of Simon's cat. With a permanent marker, decorate the cover with tips for trigonometry. Forgot a formula in the middle of a test? Just find it on your new case. Beautiful and functional. For the next idea, you need a piece of foam and cardboard. Circle a plate on the cardboard. Cut out a semicircle. Make 4 semicircles of different sizes. Prepare pieces of a foam rubber sheet of the same shape. Cover the cardboard crescents with it. Make cuts on the foam for the length of the workpiece. Insert the cardboard in the foam, putting the pieces on hot glue. The result is a colored stand with dividers. You can put books and notebooks into it. A bright half rainbow for your school supplies guarantees an organized desk. And now you need a sketch of a diamond and discs. Cut the diamond along the lines. Cut the disc following the paper template. Cut out a figure from a black background according to the shape of the diamond. Fill the foam rubber sheet with the shiny disc faces. Take a stack of white sheets. Trace a diamond on the paper. Cut the sheets of the desired shape. Connect them with a stapler. Coat the top with a glue stick. Connect the stacks of sheets with each other. Glue the diamond. It turned out to be a brilliant notebook for writing only the most brilliant thoughts. Let's share the idea of turning a dull blue pencil case into something more interesting. You need some self-adhesive fabric. Cover the pencil case with it. Prepare some foam rubber sheets of the needed colors. Draw a picture. Cut it out. Draw Minnie Mouse's face with a black marker. Glue the other parts to it. Attach the mouse to the pencil case with hot glue. A feminine school pencil case is ready. This time you will need boxes and a folder for papers. Mark up the office folder. Crop it. Paint it a saturated blue color. Cut the rectangular box at an angle. Paint it. Cover the small box with paint too. Dip the pencil's erasers in paint. Decorate the surface with contrasting white dots. Glue white lace on the edge. Glue the boxes together. You've got a convenient organizer for creative crafts. Paint, paper, and scissors, everything necessary is always on hand. For this school life hack, you need 3 sheets of cardboard. Decorate them with stickers and drawings and make a frame from one of them. Print a sheet of paper with questions and glue in your photo. Fasten the sheet on cardboard with a hot glue gun. Print out some questionnaires for friends. Pierce holes with a hole punch. Make the same holes in the cardboard. Get some flexible wire. Collect the sheets in a stack and cover them with the frame. Connect the sheets together. A self-made questionnaire is a good way to preserve the memory of your best friends. And, of course, learn their secrets. And don't forget to put a like on this video and subscribe to our channel, and we will make you happy with new ideas very soon. Click on the bell to see them first.